What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Pat. I'm a full-time reseller, and this is my weekly What Sold video. And as usual, I have 10 items to share with you guys. So these sales are going to be from last week, which was December 6th through the 12th. 49 transactions last week for a total of $1,570. First up, we have this Tonino Lamborghini Polo. It's brand new with tags, paid about $4 for it. Took about a week to sell, and it sold for $44.55 plus $4.95 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about $35. And here we have Digimon Rumble Arena 2 for Nintendo GameCube. I took this and several other discs in on consignment for my brother-in-law, and so far the last couple of weeks it had some pretty good sales. But this one took about 2 weeks to sell, and it sold for $49.95 with free shipping. And here we have 7 For All Mankind jeans, great brand to keep an eye out for. Paid about $5 for these, took about a month to sell, and they sold for $36 plus $7.99 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about $26. The next is this Donald J. Trump button front long sleeve shirt, brand new with tags, paid about $4 for it, took about 2 months to sell, and it sold for $29.70 plus $4.95 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about $22. So this is probably one of my favorite brands to resell. This is a Tommy Bahama Hawaiian shirt, had a really cool koi fish pattern all over it. Paid about $4 for it, sold in 2 days for $29 plus $4.95 shipping, and after fees and shipping, I made about $22. And here we have a Johnson & Murphy black leather jacket. Paid about $15 for this, took about 2 months to sell, and it sold for $67.50 plus $11.99 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about $45. Here's another pair of jeans. These are new with tags, Levi 511s. Paid about $5 for them, took a little over a month to sell, and they sold for $25.50 plus $7.99 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about $17. So next is a brand I've talked about before on this channel. It's Gitman Bros. This is a short sleeve button front shirt. Paid about $4 for it, took about a month to sell, and it sold for $24.30 plus $4.95 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about $18. Next is this Ralph Lauren slim fit button down shirt, brand new without tags. Paid about $4 for it, took about 2 months to sell, and it sold for $29.75 plus $4.95 shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about $22. And finally, I found these Thin Bins collapsible food containers at Goodwill for $2.50. And they took about 2 weeks to sell, but it sold for $23.95 with free shipping. And after fees and shipping, I made about $8. So that was my 10 items from last week. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And I will see you guys next week.